Hey there, welcome to today's video. So, let's dive into the problem we're tackling today. The issue at hand is trying to execute a query in Firestore that involves ordering by the geohash field, while also filtering based on endDate and status. However, we're facing a roadblock where Firestore is throwing an error about the inequality filter property and the first sort order needing to be the same. An error like this can be quite frustrating, right? Now, onto the solution. In order to make a query with multiple relational clauses work smoothly, we need to create a composite index. This index needs to include the fields you're filtering and sorting on. If you're not sure how to go about creating this composite index, don't worry. Firestore usually provides a helpful error message with a link to guide you through the process. Remember, Firestore requires this index to properly execute complex queries like the one we're dealing with. In summary, to overcome the error related to inequality filter property and first sort order in Firestore queries, you need to create a composite index that includes all the relevant fields. This will ensure that your query runs smoothly and fetches the desired results. And if you ever run into similar issues in the future, remember that creating the right indexes is key to unlocking the full potential of Firestore. Alright, that's all for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy coding.